look, it's Mr.OMG Brucey B with another special edition of You Know What I Hate. Leave a comment if you can relate down below. You already know. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into this she-hite. You know what I hate? Birds that shit on your car after you wash it. Oh my fucking God. Birds, why is it that after I wash my car, you, for some particular reason, come out of the blue and shit on it? Okay? You don't have nowhere else to shit. All this grass and just street pavement, concrete, road signs, stop lights. You couldn't shit on nothing else but my car? Really? Really, birds? Really? That was the target? Does my car say bird shit here? And you ever notice how you look on the street corner, you never see bird shit on the street? I've never walked and said, oh damn, let me watch out for that bird shit. I've jumped over dog shit, deer shit, motherfucking baby duck shit. I've jumped over every animal's poop known to man except for birds. I even jumped over a piece of squirrel shit. Let me tell you how this started. I had my car washed. I come out feeling happier than the time I seen Justin Bieber get shot on CSI.
McCann, get out of the car. Throw the weapon out. Hands on your head. You down on your knees.
He's wired. He's got a bomb.
He's on. There's no bomb. Look, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Oh!
You're gonna be fine, baby doll.
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum.
Hold your fire.
Stay down.
I'm driving, I got my music all cranked up. I'm like, yeah, I feel cool than a motherfucker. Go in the house, get something to eat, come out, guess what's on my car? Let's see here. Bird shit. All over the place. You know who I blame for bird shitting on people's cars? Big Bird. You know why I blame Big Bird? Because Big Bird is not this lovable puppet thing that you see on Sesame Street, okay? Big Bird is a corrupt puppet that influenced birds to shit on humans. I found this one lost episode of Sesame Street one time. I couldn't even believe this shit when I saw it.
Well, that's all the time we have to chat. Let's meet our last contestant.
From Sesame Street, let's say hello to Big Bird.
Hi there, Big. How you doing?
Just great, Sonny. And I'm real excited, because all my friends are me. Hi, Snuffy. Hi, Telly. Hi,
Well, that's all the time we have for hellos.
Yeah, that happened on Sesame Street. Yeah, that's a real thing. Birds are gangster. Birds don't give a fuck. Birds shit. You ever see a whole flock of birds just walk in front of your car? They're saying like, you know what? Wait for us. Pedestrians first, bitch. Birds are gangster, man. And I don't like that shit. Birds are more gangster than white kids when they shoot off guns in their house by accident.
Disrespect me. You ain't nothing. I'll come up there, probably flash my guns around a little bit. I'll go, ooh. Dude, my mom's gonna kill me.
See what I'm talking about? Alright, I'm Mr. OMG, Bruce B. Leave a comment if you can relate down there. I'll see you next Wednesday. Deuce, bitch.